If you want to change icon size on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can go to settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to the home screen, lock screen and style. Then you can swipe up over here to open this section and we should be able to find the icons option. Now in here we can find this icon slider and we can move left and right in order to adjust the icon size quite easily. Of course, once you are done with your changes, you can just tap on apply button at the bottom of the screen. Not only that, if we go to the home screen settings and choose the home screen layout, then if we use the 5 columns instead of just 4, then of course app icons can also be slightly lower. So of course fit more apps. And also the display size also has an impact on the icon size. So if you go to display and brightness and then over here choose display size, then for example large display size will make apps bigger, not only app icons but of course everything, but still it has an impact on icons as it is even written over here in the description. Leave a like and subscribe.